Marine park, secluded beaches and a rocky path. We're taking on Hong Kong's 10 best easy walks right here on Drone and Phone. Well, we're back on our easy walks. This one a little bit easier than the ones we've done before. We're going to do the Tai Tan Country Trail. It's about 7 kilometers. Muloy, we're going to start here at the beautiful beach of Hoi Ha, and we're going to walk around towards the Wong Shek Pier. How are you feeling today?
I'm very energized today from that pineapple bun from Sai Kung. Good one.
We found a very nice cafe in Sai Kung to start off with. Right, time to get going. It's a beautiful day. Let's go.
Let's go.
Despite its reputation as a bustling metropolis, Hong Kong offers a wide choice of scenic hiking trails that traverse mountains, coastal cliffs and tranquil islands, providing an unexpected but enjoyable way to explore the city's natural beauty. In this series, we've chosen 10 easy hikes that get you around the region without too much stress on the body. Muloy, who is relatively new to Hong Kong and hiking, is our guinea pig. Today we start at the Sai Kung waterfront and hop on a minibus to Hoi Ha. Walk through the village from the bus terminal down to the waterfront and onto the beach to start. From there, follow the path along to the pier, where on a warm day you might fancy a dip in the marine reserve. The coral community is one of the best in Hong Kong and easily accessed with a mask and snorkel. For us it's too cold, so we continue on along the path, passing remnants of the old village that dates back to the end of the 18th century and on past the Hoi Ha 1 Marine Life Centre. The centre is closed to the public but offers education visits for groups that book in advance. So for those of you who like the easy part of 10 easy walks, this one is for you for sure. It's nice and gentle, lovely path, easy to walk along. Starts at Hoi Ha, where you can enjoy a swim and the beach for a little while, or you could obviously finish there as well. And it's making its way around the coast, but the path is good and it's reasonably flat and actually quite well sheltered from the sun as well. This could easily be a summer hike for anyone interested. Yeah. If you want to extend the walk, there's a loop of the Wan Chai extension you could add along the mountain bike trail, but we keep straight. The path drops to the coastline on occasion and has a slight incline. So there is one climb to do on this trail. It's pretty straightforward. It's about 100 meters up and it's along a good path, but just bear in mind that it is coming in case you were expecting a completely flat trail. I think we're near the top of it now. One man's small hill is another's mountain.
It's a bit of an uphill climb for me because I'm 80 years old, but I got enough energy from that pineapple bun and that cup of mocha.
But to give Muloy his dues, we both found what we thought would be an easy flat trail turn into a bit more of a hike than we'd bargained for. So having thought this was going to be a super easy trail, we're discovering, although not difficult, it's not as flat as we'd predicted. We've done one hill which we thought was the main hill, but then we're now doing a second. So a little bit of climbing. Nothing too strenuous, but don't think it's going to be a walk in the park. The trail gets rocky and is a little technical in places as you get closer to the end. There are secluded beaches also along the way, providing a good opportunity for a break and a swim if it's hot. So I just want to explain something at this point. We think we've actually done the trail probably in the worst direction. We think we should have started at the top of the trail and gone down and finished at Hoi Ha. That actually now makes more sense because there's a minibus to get out, there's restaurants there, and of course some fantastic snorkeling at the end of the hike. So we would normally turn off to the right here as we come across up the river valley and finish the trail, but what we're going to do today is finish over at the Wong Shek Pier, which is this one over here, which means coming out of here and then getting on the road and just walking down along at the end. That for me is a good winter's hike because there's no need for swimming and we can get out quite easily. But as I said, we probably think it might make more sense to come off the minibus on the Hoi Ha road early and then do the whole of this trail finishing in Hoi Ha. Of course, it's up to you. As you join a road at Tai Tan, you can choose to leave there or continue on as we did along the road at first and then through the Wong Shek tree walk, which affords a shortcut away from the road at the end with a viewpoint overlooking the jetty. Down at the end there are some refreshment options and a large picnic area that you can enjoy while waiting for the bus back to Sai Kung. Well, that's just about it for this hike. We're just going to go down to the Wong Shek Pier. We recommend, if you're doing this on a hotter day, that you do it in the opposite direction, finish at Hoi Ha where there's food and some great swimming. We've done about 7.5 kilometers. How has it been for you, Muloy?
Well, because it's a hot day, so it was mildly challenging for me and the going up and down, but the beach was nice. Not as gorgeous, of course, as Hampton in Sai Kung Peninsula.
Yeah, some beautiful views. A great one for the kids, by the way. Now, if you're finding this for the first time, you're going to find all of our previous episodes nicely catalogued on our website at droneandphone.com and also on our YouTube channel by searching Drone and Phone. For now, my name's DJ.
I'm Muloy.
And this
is Drone and Phone.
So my Egyptian friend has come back, fortunately.